Hey guys, welcome back to Cute Kid
Have some fun.
Cooking! Are you ready to have some fun? What are we making today?
Gingerbread Men.
Oh, good job, little Christmas girl. We're all Christmased out. We have never made gingerbread cookies before.
Now we put in the butter.
We've got our butter, our 1.5 sticks of butter.
Show them the butter.
We got, yeah, good job. It's softened, not melted, but we melted it accidentally a little bit. Just a little bit.
So we have our butter in this bowl.
All right.
And we have some, I made a castle.
You did make a castle with a bunch of ingredients. We need 3/4 of brown sugar. 1.
Mom, can we try it?
We're gonna mix it with a hand mixer actually. 2. Might be a little hard. We'll need your expertise.
So we're gonna use M&M's for the buttons.
We are gonna use M&M's for our Gingerbread Men and Women. We bought special cookie cutters just for the occasion. I washed this people all out real good before we started because I know we'll be doing a lot of rolling of dough later, a lot later. We need my lashes.
I'm sorry guys, but Mommy's having trouble with you.
We got a new tripod and a microphone because hopefully, Lord willing, in 35 days we'll be going somewhere special and we thought we needed a nice new thing.
And we're going to be going to Disney.
Well, she said what it is. Yeah, hopefully we'll be going to Disney in about 35 days.
Oh.
2/3 of my lashes.
You look like jelly.
Does it smell good or bad here?
It smells like both.
Good and bad.
Good
I
and
agree. It's like an acquired.
looks like jelly.
Molasses always makes me think of the Glen Close and live action.
Smells bad and good.
When she falls into the big vat of molasses. And all the animals
Mom,
laugh
looks
at her.
like, you look like jelly.
It's very sticky.
Like slime.
We are going to fluff this up. We're going to hand mix it until it's all fluffy. And then we're going to add egg and vanilla. So, all right. Let's do some mixing.
And I can do egg by myself now.
Emma does the eggs now.
Yep. Now, Mom, pretend to do it quick. Don't make it like Wilma cracking the egg.
Yeah, she likes the Flintstones. Wilma cracking the eggs. All right, we'll be right back after we fluff this up.
But
All right, 1 large egg. Keep going.
okay.
There we go, perfect.
Whoa.
Good job.
Wet.
All right, and then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're gonna fluff, fluff, fluff a little bit more. How's it coming, you think?
It looks pretty delicious.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. So we will be right back.
You're not gonna get bored because the stove isn't on.
Yeah, I have you on the stove top, but the oven's not on because we have to chill this stuff. So it'll be all right.
We have to make it happen to make these gingerbreadies good.
You gotta make it happen. It all depends on you. Who sings that? Who?
I don't know.
Tiana. All right, you want to show these people how you do the mixer?
Okay.
Can you push it a little?
Like
Like that.
I'm doing it, Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, the egg!
You got the egg. Can we do it faster? Did it get you?
Yeah.
Oops. All right, we'll keep going. See you soon. We're gonna get 3 cups of flour. All right, dry ingredient time. We're gonna whisk it. Ah!
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. You didn't know. It's wet from the dishwasher, apparently. We're gonna need more flour soon. I didn't realize we've been baking as much as we have. 3 and 1/4.
And the mixed material has
That is a lot
a little bit of
flour.
flour.
All right. also, we need all our spices and our baking soda and our salt. Okay, so we mixed all the dry. Now we put the dry in the wet. And then we divided the wet into 2 halves. And we're supposed to do it in plastic wrap, but I figured Ziploc, right? Find out. Now we're gonna chill that for 2 to 3 hours. Then we can do some cookie cutters. Excited. It smells kind of like dog food though. Should I be concerned?
I can flavor that.
Alright, so now it's time,
We'll just decorate them.
well, for the cutting. We gotta cut out our gingerbread people
Yep.
and bake them. So then we can decorate them. Alright.
Man and a boy, man and a boy, man and a boy.
A man and a girl.
That's a man.
Oven's ready.
Da, 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 da,
Okay,
da,
let's
da, 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 da.
get all the flour around. What's your favorite part about Christmas?
Decorating the tree.
That was fun, huh?
And then my favorite part. And watching Santa
Yeah, the movies are fun. Did you watch the Santa Claus? Did you like that movie? Yeah. It's my favorite. We watched the Muppet Christmas Carol. Did you like that?
Yeah. With Scrooge.
Yes.
Of course it would. It looks feels like ice cream.
Does it feel like ice cream?
Yeah. Touch it.
Supposed to make it 1/4 of an inch thick. I don't know what that means. I mean, I know what it means, but like I'm supposed to just eyeball and know. Well, that's 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah, what a good.
There's no way I'll know what that is.
I make them a mouth and a nose and
Smell very molassy.
eyes and a nose.
Yeah.
Okay.
It kind of looks like the Millennium Falcon in shape right now.
What?
It kind of looks like Millennium Falcon shape right now. You think that's good?
Yeah.
Might be a little too thick, but we'll see. Alright, you want to start?
No,
Alright.
have to go.
What do you want to do?
Oh no, we lost
Okay,
it.
we got it. Alright, we want to do the side that has the fold. We want to hold that side. Perfect, you got it. Wait, that's a boy. You want a girl? You do the boy first. Real good in there. And then shake it a little. Yay! Sweetness.
This right way.
Perfect. Right up here so we get lots of space out. Alright, give it a little shake. Nice.
Boy again.
Oh, don't see it stuck. Good job. Boy again? Okay. You're gonna do it over here on your side. Oh, wrong way. Don't get sharped. Perfect. Here. A little shaky shake. Beautiful.
Oh, some of it.
Look at that, guys. Emma, look. Yay!
I didn't go.
Right, you're supposed to be like 2 inches apart.
You can do it some a little bit.
Yep.
Like this.
Girl now? Alright, we're gonna just keep at this and we will let you know how it's going, right?
Yeah.
There's the girl! Yay! Alright. I guess we bake them 1 tray at a time. We shouldn't put 2 trays in at the same time for 9 to 11 minutes till they puff up and such. So those are the instructions. Sounds good. We're gonna keep at it. Wait 1 second.
I'm gonna help you with this one.
Yeah, we're gonna cool them after we finish. Here is the second tray. One is already in the oven. How do you think it's going?
Good.
Yeah, we decided to save a bag for later of the 2 halves. Oh, okay, be careful. Oh, not yet. They gotta bake, okay? And then we'll put them on the cooling tray. It's very confusing, huh? You're doing a good job, though. Thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, it's time for the second best part. Say it again. What are we gonna do?
Decorated.
Yes, we finally get to decorate and Daddy's here to help us. All right. So here they are.
He wasn't there when we cooked.
They're ready ready to be decorated. Now, Kroger real messed us over and gave us, I asked for cookie decorating icing in our click list, and they gave us cake. Thankfully, I had these tops, but they don't really fit. Oh. So, we'll see how this goes. All right, Emma, go for it. Okay, be careful, because you have to hold the white on there.
Oh.
Goodness.
I know, it's going to be real challenging.
You want me to hold the white and you can just squeeze?
I'm not sure don't get on your finger.
Where do you want it?
It's going to be real tricky.
I want to do the mouth and then out.
Okay, you do it.
I want you to.
Yeah, this is going to work. If it'll even go through the end. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, okay.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already good. Give her a little apron.
Is that okay? What are you doing now?
Well, I need to cut that a little bigger, probably.
Her apron.
You can do an apron too? I need to cut this a little bit wider.
Whoa, that was crazy how you
I
did
know,
that.
right?
I want to make mine a green. Can I have the green?
Yes, you can.
Daddy is making him a beard.
Oh, I like that idea.
Dad, are you making Santa?
Maybe.
It looks like Santa. I want it squiggly.
Did you want the red?
Yeah. Mom, I want to make a red dress.
Good idea.
Do you know how to do that one?
Not really. But I'm making it work.
There's white.
Mom's going to squeezing poop out of here.
Oh my word.
Yeah, like, because
Oh look, it's coming all out of it. I knew it would do that. Man. Oh well, what you gonna do?
Daddy, help me.
Okay. Here's my first one. Ooh, scary. Oh well. Yeah.
Did you get it?
I feel like it almost has too much icing on it. Like they're not supposed to have that much.
You want it?
Daddy, I want you to make a green.
All right. Well, there's number one.
A green apron?
Yeah. Green apron.
I don't know how we're gonna use this green though. Oh, Dad's gonna look like Santa.
Mama, can you make an apron with green?
I sure can try. You want it to look like the one I did?
Yeah. I wanted that red apron.
Oh,
Oh
sorry.
wait, but you just told me to do a green one.
Okay, I want that.
Ah, oh no. Sit on there.
Stick a ball in.
I'm gonna stick it on there.
Daddy, that looks good.
I know this won't work. Look. I know. She has a green necklace for now. That's a no-go. Thanks a lot, Kroger.
Mama,
Yeah, go ahead. Man,
Here. Red.
that's a shame. That looks so good. Oh. All right, you want to show everybody yours? Yeah, let's hold it up.
here's mine.
It's so good.
It's so cute. That's what I said too.
I know, it's adorable.
Daddy, so
Show us yours, Dad.
Drew, that's mine. Now you can just hold it up. Now you can just hold it up.
Oh, he's so cute. All right, so I think we will keep on decorating, and we'll show you all the final products once we're done.
Joanna almost got on her way out.
Did it? Oh no. All
But
right.
it tastes good.
Yeah, Daddy already tried one. They're a little hard, so we'll live and learn for the second batch we make sometime.
So,
And here they are. We've got Santa and a snowman, Mrs. Claus, Marshall, and Reds. This is Elvis. Emma made Elvis.
Yeah.
And we've got some more Mrs. Clauses. And we've got a hula dancer. Pretty good, huh?
Can you like it down?
Yeah, sure. You think it's a snow monster Daddy made?
It's a snowman.
You guys did a good job.
Okay.
Okay, are you proud?
Yeah.
Can you look at here and smile and be like, I did it?
I did it. My mommy made Mrs. Claus and Daddy made Santa Claus.
Yeah, we did good.
Look good.
I'm proud of us. All right, so that's it. We did it. Chris is laughing at me for standing in front of the tree. We made gingerbread men for the first time ever, and they are pretty good. And we could have used some more actual cookie icing, but that's okay. We made it work. So, Merry Christmas. Remember to do all the things you should do. Give it a what, Emma?
Thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. There will be more adventures, more Christmas adventures, and yeah, more real adventures. Oh my goodness, the lighting changed. So, was adventure out there? Yes, this was an adventure in the kitchen. We didn't really know what we do or what we're doing, and we did it. So, yay.
Vlog out at Disney.
Yes! When we go to Disney, we're gonna vlog Disney, which was the whole point of creating the channel anyway, because we were supposed to take 2 trips to Disney World this year, and it didn't happen, so we're gonna start January right, and take a big nice trip, so it's gonna be exciting and so good for us all. A year without a vacation is just criminal. And then, was Disney just a dream away? No, this had nothing to do with Disney at all. Sorry, except for our excitement that we'll be going soon, hopefully. Woohoo! So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, or whatever holiday you celebrate, and we'll see you very soon. Bye, friends!